Friends, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can fix missing camera icon on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write comments after watching. And let's get started with you friends. So if you have a situation like me at the moment, that you don't have a camera icon on your iPhone work screen, then you're missing it, and I'm going to show you two methods to fix this situation. So the first one, you will need to swipe down on your iPhone screen from top to bottom, so that you get the search bar for apps, where you just see the word camera. As you can see, this app appears on the top left. And now in order to customize it and insert it into place, which is your desktop screen, you'll just have to tap, hold down, and select here, as you can see. So this camera icon, this app, it will be added to your desktop screen. You'll be able to click on it, move it to wherever you want. Once you have the camera in the desired location, just tap on the empty field of your iPhone screen to save this change. But what if you swipe on the screen and type in the word camera but don't find that suggestion? This can also happen, but do not be alarmed. It is very easy to fix this situation. To do this, you will need to, friends, go to the settings on your iPhone. Then select Screen Time, scroll down a little bit, and select this option. And here you'll need to select this second option. And check to see if your camera is on. If it's in this position like I have at the moment, it means that the camera icon is hidden from your iPhone and the app is a little bit inaccessible at the moment. But to activate the camera icon and the camera itself, you'll just need to turn it on like this. And wait for about 10 to 15 seconds for the camera icon to appear on your iPhone's work screen. With this method, friends, you can easily fix the missing camera icon on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and became useful to you. Please don't forget, friends, to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and be sure to write comments. Take care, friends.